Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about auto tracking PTZ 3.0. In this video, I will show you how to configure PTZ 3.0 auto tracking step by step. Let's get started. First, click on AI. Then click on AI Config under Smart Plan and click on Add button to add plan, and then turn it on. Press Next. Then turn on Detail Camera option. After pressing it, you need to add first preset. Set your PTZ camera location. Then press OK. Click on Preset, Search option. Select first preset you create before and press OK. Then press on Next button. Click on IVS button. Then click on AI Rules in List. You can select Tripwire. Then, with mouse, you can draw area you want to start track. Same like I am draw in video. I don't need mic, so I will remove audio linkage. If you need mic, you no need to delete. Then click on Apply button. That's it done. You can see camera auto tracking working. Thank you for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe and press bell icon for other related updates. If you have any questions, please comment below. I can reply. Thank you.